Enhancing data literacy with Minitab. Data literacy is the ability to read, work with, analyze, and communicate with data. It's more than just using tools like Minitab. It's about understanding the context of the data collected. It should help drive better decisions. How Minitab enhances data literacy? Minitab has long been a trusted tool for statisticians and analysts. It helps them analyze and interpret data. Its interface is user-friendly. Its analytical tools are powerful. They let users gain deeper insights into data with less effort. Simplified Statistical Analysis. Minitab offers many statistical tools for both beginners and experts. Minitab is great for data analysis beginners. Its simple, intuitive menus guide users to run basic stats, mean, median, variance, and standard deviation. This is crucial for beginners. Visualizing data effectively. One of the best ways to understand and communicate data is through visualization. Minitab offers many graphical tools. They include histograms, scatterplots, control charts, box plots, and Pareto charts. These visuals make complex datasets easier to understand. Guided analysis with Minitab's Assistant. For those new to data analysis, Minitab's Assistant tool is a game changer. It simplifies the process by providing step-by-step guidance for performing statistical analyses. This is ideal for beginners. They may feel intimidated by the complexity of data analysis. Improved decision-making through data-driven insights. Data literacy isn't just about understanding the numbers. It's about using that knowledge to make better decisions. Minitab helps users analyze data and find key drivers. It lets them make decisions based on real evidence. Improved collaboration and communication. Once data is analyzed, the next step is to communicate the findings. Minitab helps users create clear reports and presentations. They help stakeholders from all departments understand the data. Empowering non-technical users. Many advanced statistical software platforms are for data scientists or statisticians. Minitab, however, is easy to use. It is accessible to non-technical users. Minitab can help business analysts, project managers, quality control officers, and marketers. Real-world applications of Minitab for enhancing data literacy. In healthcare, Minitab helps professionals. It analyzes patient data. It improves clinical outcomes and optimizes efficiency. By boosting data literacy, healthcare workers can better decide on patient care. This will improve processes that affect patients' well-being. Manufacturing. Minitab helps manufacturers fix quality issues and defects. It optimizes production lines. Data literacy ensures teams can interpret, not just collect, data. This drives continuous improvement. Finance. Financial analysts use Minitab to assess portfolios, forecast trends, and evaluate risk. With better data skills, they can provide accurate insights. This helps businesses make better financial decisions. Marketing. Marketers use Minitab to analyze customer behavior, track campaigns, and find growth. By boosting their data literacy, marketing teams can make better, data-driven decisions. This will help them create more successful strategies. In conclusion, in today's data-driven world, we must boost data literacy. It is vital for both individuals and organizations. Minitab is a powerful tool,